Hey there, brilliant bookkeepers and bold entrepreneurs. Today we're tackling a sneaky myth that could quietly cap your growth. Bookkeeping is cheap to start, so I don't need to invest much. Does that sound familiar? Well, in part, it's true. And in fact, I did a short video on this exact topic. Bookkeeping definitely boasts one of the lowest startup costs of any service-based industry. Take your skill set, buy a laptop, get some software, maybe a website, and you're off to the races, right? But in actuality, low startup cost does not mean low investment. You still have to invest, if not with money, then with time, focus, sweat equity, and strategy. And ignoring that truth can leave your business running on fumes. So where should that investment go? Here are 3 core areas. Number 1, your skills. Are you leveling up in tech, compliance, advisory, and automation? Number 2, your systems. Are you streamlining workflows in order to scale? 3, yourself. Mindset, leadership, and clarity. You are the engine. So whether it's signing up for a course, hiring a coach, or putting in focused hours to build your systems, it's all investment. And you cannot skip it. Not if you want your business to last. So if you're not in a position to invest money right now, that is okay. But then you've got to bring the sweat equity. Early mornings, late nights, deep focus. That hustle is your down payment. But here's the key. Hustle with direction. Don't spin your wheels on busy work. Build smartly. Plan systems. Learn the things that move your business forward, not just sideways. Bookkeeping may have a low barrier to entry, but that doesn't mean you can shortcut the climb. Every successful entrepreneur invests in tools, in training, in the transformation. So whether you're spending dollars or devoting hours, just make sure you're spending and doing it strategically. If you're ready to stop skipping the investment and start scaling with confidence, hit like, subscribe, share, and as always, if you've got another 4 minutes, we've got another episode.